how? How? Parang, to direct, parang how? Paano ko siya gagawin ng tama ang mga bagay-bagay, anong desisyon, how, parang ganun. I don't care when, basta gusto kong may bigay yung sagot sa akin. How I can do it.
Mag-guide ka talaga niya.
Why me?
When will the pandemic end?
Right now, when will the pandemic stop? Do you sleep? This is a joke, but there's a lot of things happening in the world, and there's a lot of plans that he has, and all. But I know technically that he doesn't sleep. But when you think of this, even just the movement of a small thing, he knows. When you're stressed out, you can't sleep.
If I could ask God for what question, what could it be? How can I go to heaven fast?
Nothing. I love my life.
Oh.
Nothing to ask. We have to grow more.
Can't think of any, but I always question like the creation of the universe. So it's really mind-boggling. So yeah, I think that one, like, how did it happen? Yeah.
Why COVID happened?
Why do I look so good? That's the first question that pops up. I can't think of anything else. I'm sorry. This is...
How's my mom in heaven? So that's what I'll be asking. Is she enjoying her food? Something like that. Because my mom is a foodie.
Why me?
I think I would ask God why I had to go through all the challenges for the couple of 9 years and then just be able to experience abundance now. But eventually, I was hoping he could answer that.
Lord, what do you want me to do? Because I'm really a big believer that God has a purpose for us. That every people that He created, He has a plan for them. He has a specific purpose for them. So I really want to know what's my specific purpose, so that I can do it. So that when I get to meet Him, I can say to Him, Lord, I did what you wanted.
Will my kids be okay? Will my children be okay?
That's hard. I'm torn between like keeping it simple or like taking the opportunity to really ask, would be totally worth it because it's just one question. So maybe just fun, something fun. What do you do for fun? Something like that.
What else? What else can I do?
Oh, that's a pretty loaded question. But
well, it's something that we all struggle with as Christians and Christian workers. Why bad things happen to good people?
Okay, I have to breathe. Kasi I've always wanted to ask this to Him. Lord, do you think I'll be satisfied when my life is over?
What's my mission? I think that's it. What's my mission? What's my mission? Like, because I wanted to live this world like I did something. So if I would talk to God, I would say that what's my mission? What's my mission? Why am I here? And I would say that just talk to Him about my future, because all I'm thinking is about my future. But I know that He won't let me down. But yeah, that's what I will talk about with Him. I will talk about my mission. What's His plan about me?